Hello. Let's see what we got here. All right, we're in profit. Hello. Hello. You can hear me, right? Hello. You can hear me, right? All right, I'm gonna leave it like that. I don't know why it didn't work. I'm gonna leave it like that. I don't know why it didn't work. I'm just gonna leave it like that, guys. I don't know why the stream didn't work last night. Why there's no sound? I'm still trying to figure that out. Caveman trying to figure out how to do it, but we'll get it. We'll get it. I think I got to use my external microphone when I do the Sosana streams for some reason. How's everybody doing today, man? I'm on a little early because I wanted to test that, but it worked right away. So I don't know what to say about it. Yeah, you know what I'll say? Thank God it's working. That's what we'll say. And that's plenty. You said it all then, right? Let me put my links here, guys. These things, I'm hot on these 3 little projects. I've been in that real estate group for a long time, man. Well, not a long time. Months. I bought one property. I make $800 a month off it. I wanted to buy another one, but I got sidetracked. I'm building a house in the Philippines, and I want to pay that house off totally. And that's what I've been working on now. And once that house is paid off, I'll be buying these houses like crazy. All right, let's get to the chart. I'm here early today, guys. I got on early because I wanted to test that. I want to see if I can find a solution while I was live. But I found the solution already. It worked as soon as I put it on. So no solution necessary. We might get a quick scalp here and be done early, man. It looks like to me. Let's see what gold does right here. That's a nice zone right there. See it? See it here? See it here? 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 All right, we broke through it though. Let's see where we're going. Could be coming right here. Are we going for the sweep? Gold might drop now that I think about it because it's the yeah, because the dollar is going to go up. If the government opens, right, that should be good for the dollar, and that should make gold go down, no? Very interesting. Let me see what Nas is doing. Man, this tea is good, man. Cheers, guys. Cheers to you, man. God bless. All right, Nas, I want a sweet. Where's the bottom one? It's too far away. Oh, what happened there? Yeah, it's way far away. Let's see, US 30. The US 30 is right on top. Yesterday we got about 70 pips, guys. 65, 70 pips. We had two little wins. And the day before that we had 90 pips. So let's see. We usually end up a little over 500 a week. So we're a little behind schedule here, but we're doing good. Every day we try to get one win, a quick win, and then we go on our business, you know. So, we go about our day. We don't like to spend all day on the charts here. Even though I'm on a little early today. Like I said, I came on because I wanted to test the volume. I was on the Sasana call last night, and the volume didn't work again. I'll be on there tonight. I'm going to try with an external mic. I don't know why it ain't working. It worked for a month, 2 months. Now it doesn't work. And it's working now, right? Everybody can hear me? Let me see. How my Kick people doing? Let me check my Kick guys. What's up, Kick? All right. I like Kick. I like dreaming. Because dreaming can make you mine. Boy, I'm going to get rid of the few watches I have. They all just switched it off. If I start singing, forget it. I'd like to see a sweep here. I'll take it here on a sweep. I'll take it for a buy. That's the plan on NAS, guys. I'm going to put a line. And alert. I like dreaming. All right, that's the plan, guys. I'm looking for a sweep here of this demand zone. I want a candle just to whip through it and then retrace right away. And then we'll take that all the way up to the pre-market high. That's the plan for this morning on NAS. Let me check out US 30, see if there's a plan here. I would be similar. Might be to this fair value gap. I don't know. I'm not as down with that as I am with the NAS. could come to here. It could sweep here. How far away? It's right there. High. I don't know. I don't like US 30 as much. But we'll see what happens. All right, let's see what happens. Hopefully it'll come down and won't leave without us. Let me see what oil's doing, man. Wow, look at oil. Well, it's down a lot, man. It's all the way through. It's almost at 100% retracement. Looks like 30, 80%, 90%, 80%, 75%. Interesting. It's dropping like crazy. I would need it to come here. I'm going to put an alarm there. I'll look at it. I don't know if I'm going to trade oil today, but I will look at it when it gets there and I will decide. Right now, this isn't doing anything. Nas is coming down. Might get an entry on Nas here. Do I take it for a buy? I think so. Where is it? There it is. All right, I'm ready. Guys, if you want to get free signals, sign up for the broker link in the description. Trade with me under the broker. As soon as I get like 20 people, I'm going to open up the signal room again. It doesn't cost nothing to trade with me under the broker. Oh. False alarm there. I got an alarm, but it was for something else. I thought I missed the entry on that. I'm going to take it here, guys. All right. Knowing that it could come down to here. I mean, it could go wherever it wants. But I'm going to take it here. I'm going to put an entry here. And in my mind, I know that I might need more than one entry to get to. I'm going to have to manage this trade, or it may just go our way. We'll see. But I'm going to take it right there. It's a hunch. Trading is just a hunch anyway. It's just what he was calling in school, an educated guess, right? A hypothesis, right, is an educated guess. That's what trading is, man. Okay, once that alarm goes, I'm going to push the buy button. Here it comes. I'm in. Right about that. Let's see what happens, guys. Let's go, baby. Who's in with me, man? Anybody in? I gotta get rid of that alarm now. So don't drive me loco. All right, done. All right, hopefully we'll go up from here. We're right above the 200, which is good. It could reject off the 200 and head up. You know, you see we did that here. We didn't do it here. Here, close. If you follow the 200, you'll see it's an amazing support and resistance, man. One of the most powerful on your chart. One of the most powerful areas. Well, let's see what happens now, though. Don't make a liar out of me, 200. Okay, still early, 9:06. Let me check I don't think there's any news, right? Today is the 12th. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Australian news at 7:30 p.m. I guess they canceled all the they had news listed here for tomorrow, I believe, but it's gone now. So I guess the government's not open yet. They're working on it, but we ain't there yet. Let me see what this is. I want to set this final TP. I don't like to put it with the wicks. I like to put it right. If I got two candles up there, I put it right between the two tops. That's how I do it. You don't have to do it that way. Just telling you how I do it. I'm over there. That's my TP, man. Ah, damn. I moved it. I gotta wait to see where it comes back to, guys. I hate when I do that, man. When I'm in profit, I'll put it to where it is. We're below the 200 now. I don't like that. Not crazy about that. But it's okay. We're probably coming here. If we come down, we're coming right here. I'm in profit now. Move this up a little. That's about where my entry is. right there. When the lights go down. I guess this will be TP1. Or maybe I'll make it here. Let me see what we got here. Oh, that's not much, man. That's hardly anything, man. Let's see what happens. I'm not going to make a plan yet. Let me let it be fluid. The plan is fluid, yeah. US 30. Just sweat. Make it a little bigger. The candles are a little small. Can you guys see it? If it comes down here, I'm going to take another entry, guys. Just so you know what the plan is, I'll put a box there. Right to profit. As soon as this one turns profit, I close this one. All right, let's see what happens. I got in a little early, I guess. I should have got in right on the 200, it looks like. But it's all right. I had my target and I took it. I'm only down a couple of pips. Hardly any drawdown, man. Not worth mentioning so far. If that's all the drawdown I get, man, it's a beautiful day, you know? It's always a beautiful day anyway. What am I talking about? Come on, Naz, let's go. Gold is pushing up. I can see I'm in a gold buy, but I was in it before I went live here. I'm up almost 80 pips in gold buy. Look at that. I can see it on my phone. Rocking and rolling. All right, we're right around break even there. Right now, we're at break even. In profit, guys. Come on, Naz. Push up, baby. Give me a nice push. What's up, Tal? Good to see you, man. Yeah, I'm in gold too, Tal. I got in it before I came on the stream, though. Yeah, gold's rocking, man. I think gold's going to drop if the government opens, though, because that should be good for the dollar, right? I mean, it's my logic. And then if the dollar goes up, gold usually goes down. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. Things have been weird lately, so it's hard to know. We're right at our entry. All right, we're in profit. Let's go. Let's go, baby. We just froze right there. Look at that. It's just like consolidating right down to 200. This tea is hitting nice, too. Good to see you too, Tal. Thanks for stopping by, man. Appreciate it. What Kick is doing. What's up, Kick? My kickers. My blank kickers. Yeah, boy. Let's get them. All right, about 15 minutes to New York Open, guys. See how the 200 is starting to dip down? That's not a good sign, to tell you the truth. You can tell it's sloping down slowly, you know? The 200 will give you direction. You know. Also, you got the linear regression tool, guys. I don't know if you guys ever use that. That shows me it's going up, though. So we got some conflicting reports here. I can see where the linear regression tool is saying that. It makes a channel, you know, of the low and the high, and projects it out. But it's too imposing on my chart, you know. I just take a peek at it every now and then. Give me an idea which way we're headed. Now, we're bouncing up a little bit off the 200, coming to our entry again, hopefully. You guys ready for Thanksgiving? I don't know if all you guys do Thanksgiving, but I'm ready. Christmas. My goodness, man. I love Christmas. Down in Florida, though, man, it doesn't really feel like Christmas. Like in New York, man, it would be freezing cold, snowing. You know, I kind of miss, the only time I ever missed the cold is with Christmas, man. It kind of doesn't feel like Christmas down here, you know. One year down here, I went to the beach on Christmas Day. I had pictures in the water with my Santa hat on. It's fun, but, you know, it's just different. You gotta get used to it. You weren't going to the beach today or yesterday. Yesterday was freezing down there, man. Come on, man. Let's go. Don't let me down here today. We're right at our entry again. Oh, we're pushing up. Beautiful. Still in that gold buy. We pulled back a little bit. Looks like it's heading back up. I might get out soon. Just take a look at it quick. I'll break a structure. I'm gonna get out here. When that bell rings, I'm out. If it doesn't make it up there, I may get out sooner. Let me keep an eye on what we're doing here. Sorry, guys. I don't really like to bring up trades that I'm in that I took when I wasn't on the stream, but I'm up 60 pips now, 58 pips. NAS is just consolidating right there. We're still above the 200. I still think it's going up, you know, even though there are some bearish signs I can see on the chart. like this break of structure here. This is a break of structure, guys. No getting around it. But we should pull up at least to one of these fair value gaps if we're going to drop. If we pull up here, I'll probably put a stop loss in profit, just in case it just comes back. It should really come to this fair value gap here. You know, that's textbook activities there, you know. Let's see what happens. Oil hit my alarm, but I don't think I'm going to take it, man. I don't trust it. It's so bearish. I mean, it's just been dropping. See, but look at the 200. It's just sloping down, man. It's got to pull back eventually, but I'm not going to touch it right now. Well, let me get rid of that alarm. Right in our entry, dropping a little. A little less than 9 minutes till New York Open. Oh, we're dropping, baby. Cinnamon tea, I love it. All right, I'm going to take another entry here if it does come down, guys. We'll see what it does here. All right, right back to break even. I'm up 50 pips on gold. I'm going to close that gold trade. Just watch this candle. Hold on a sec. Let me see what this thing's doing. It's going to reject off this fair value gap. You still in that trade, Tal? I think I'm going to get out. I'm going to take my profit here. I think it's going to reject here and drop. I'm out. US 30. US 30 going up. We're right at our entry still here on NAS. Wonder what's going to happen when the government opens. What's going to do to the chart? I guess NAS and US 30 will go up. Gold should go down, I would think, man. We'll see what happens. Things have been weird lately, like I said, but all right, let's go, NAS. Give me a nice push up here. The reason why I'm really buying, I want to see it sweep this high and then drop. That's what I think is going to happen, guys. That's my educated guess, my hypothesis. But we'll see. We shall see. So Santa, the utility is going to be ready this week, man. I'm almost certain, man. The way they're talking, everything's going smooth. They're just waiting for the final okay from the auditors. You know, I call them auditors. I don't know, the ones that check the code, make sure everything's working. I'm not in any rush, man. I want it to work when it launches. And you know, there could be problems when it launches too. Someone said in the group the other day that the only time they were on a crypto launch and everything went perfectly smooth is because it was a rug pull. Everything was fake. I felt that, man. You know, these scammers are funny. Oh yeah, we got the documents back. Everything's working good. Makes sense, right? Guys, give me a like on the stream, man. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed, guys. Leave a comment. We can interact. Subscribe so we can keep in touch, man. I appreciate you guys. We're about to make some pips here, man. I can feel it. Got 5 minutes, 4 minutes to New York Open. Looks like we're going to have to take another entry right here when it rings this bell. Let me get ready. It's probably going to do that. It's coming down there. I'm right in the middle now, so I'm not going to do anything. I'm not taking another entry unless it rings this bell here. I want it to sweep. Oops, too much. Right there. It's not any pips. Let's see how many it is. It's only like 18 pips till this one goes in profit. As soon as this one goes in profit, I close in this one. That's how we do it. That's my rule. You don't have to follow my rule, but I'm just telling you my rule. All right, we're starting to get volume here. Starting to get some whipping around. Right at the 200. Now I'm ready to push the trigger here, to push the button. It could be quick, so move this up a little so we can see better. One more minute, guys. Actually, less than a minute. 15 seconds. 5 seconds. Here we go. Didn't. I'm in, guys. And down around here. Uh-oh. Let's see what it does. Go a little higher. My alert's a little delayed. Look at that. It just went off now. The heck is that, man? What good is that? Crazy. All right, let's see what happens here, guys. This is an area right here. I'm going to watch it for a minute. I like this better. Oh, we blew right through there. Damn, it's dropping, man. Oh, it's coming here. What did US 30 do? Let's see. US 30 went the opposite. I got in the wrong one, man. The wrong pair. I don't know if it's going to come all the way here. I doubt it, but I'm going to take another entry here, guys, if it sweeps this box. It's all right. I'll hold it. It did sweep. Damn, I missed it. Let's see if it does it again. I'm in, guys. I'm going to put a box there now. I'm going to run around there, I guess. All right. Now I got a lot of trades here. This is how I do it. So, the way it is, my friends. Now let's see what happens now. Oh, that's ugly. There. All right. We're in profit. Man, that's ugly. All right. Let's see what happens. Damn. Gold dropped again. Oh, my goodness. I'm out of that gold trade, but got out at the right time. All right, guys, get your victory speech ready. I'm just going to hold now, see. I'm going to sweep there. Wow, we're still falling. Let me see what US 30 is doing. US 30 is climbing. My goodness. Look at US 30. Holy cow. What happened to Nas, man? Just goes to show they don't move the same, man. They do not move the same. I gotta turn that off. Hold on a sec. We just swept this area. I'm not going to take another entry there. I'm just going to hold for now. If it comes down here, I will take another entry to the pre-market low. Okay, we're in profit. Right at our entry. Move this one a little bit. Make these a little clearer where the entries are, you know? Come on, man. Come on, baby, let's go. See if there's any news. Gold's going back up. I want to see any good news. I want to see news on the shutdown. Oh. Put the search on. This dude's crazy. People in the chat are crazy, man. What happened in New York, man? What a disaster. Yikes. Looks like they're going to take a vote. If this is real, I don't know. I'm on YouTube. Day 43. Where are we here? All right, guys, I'm going to take one more entry here if it gets here. Oh, my finger's on the trigger here, man. I'm trigger happy. Let's see if we get this entry here, guys. GJ looks like a buy. Oh, man, it blew right through there. All right, I'm just going to have to hold. It's going down, guys. Did they vote to not open the government or something? I don't see nothing on YouTube about it. I got to check X, Planet X. I'm going to take another entry right here, guys. I'm in. Oh, no, I just got to wait. All right, guys, I'm just going to wait. I'll update in the Facebook group. Make sure you're in the group, guys. I don't want to stay on here anymore. Let me see something here. Hold on. All right, guys. I'll see you in the Facebook group. It was a terrible morning, but we're going to win. It's probably in the afternoon. So I'll see you guys later, man. Keep your chin up. Get your victory speech ready. This is going to be a big win because it's going to retrace all the way back. That's the way it always happens, right? So I'll see you guys later, man. God bless you. Thank you for stopping by, guys. I'll see you tonight on the Santa call. Cheers, guys. God bless you, man.